Welcome back to Wheelwise Reviews, where we dive into the most exciting cars on the market. Today, we are talking about the 2025 Bugatti Veyron, a masterpiece of engineering and design. This car is the latest iteration of a legendary line that has consistently set the standard for hypercars around the world. The 2025 Veyron comes with an astonishing 8.0-liter quad-turbocharged W16 engine, delivering an incredible 1,500 horsepower. This allows it to accelerate from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 2.4 seconds, making it one of the fastest cars ever built. It also boasts a top speed of over 260 miles per hour, ensuring that it retains its status as one of the most powerful hypercars on the planet. Despite all that raw power, Bugatti has managed to keep the driving experience smooth and manageable, thanks to advanced all-wheel drive and cutting-edge suspension technology. Moving on to the design, the 2025 Veyron is a blend of sleek aerodynamics and luxury. The exterior features a low-slung body with sharp lines and a wide stance, emphasizing its speed and presence on the road. The iconic Bugatti horseshoe grille remains a focal point, while new adaptive LED headlights and a rear spoiler that adjusts dynamically based on speed are added touches of sophistication. Inside, the Veyron is just as luxurious as you would expect. The cabin is covered in premium materials such as fine leather and carbon fiber, creating a space that feels both sporty and elegant. The digital cockpit is intuitive, offering everything from navigation to performance data at your fingertips. In terms of features, Bugatti has packed the Veyron with state-of-the-art technology. It includes a high-end infotainment system, premium sound system, and advanced safety features like lane assist, automatic emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These elements make the 2025 Veyron not just a speed machine, but a well-rounded car that offers both performance and practicality for those lucky enough to own one. That's our review of the 2025 Bugatti Veyron. If you're into hypercars and luxury vehicles, make sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any of our future reviews.